Now, I'll let you in on a little secret. Rule 2 is just Rule 1 behind a telescope. Same principle, but these jobs we'll be assigning to our dollars look a bit different. While Rule 1 showed us how to respond to our immediate needs and monthly bills, Rule 2 encourages us to look long-term, preparing for those larger, less frequent expenses. Rule 2. Embrace your true expenses. We love the term true expenses because it shows us that what we tend to think of as our expenses don't typically capture the full picture. A lot of us get stuck on only considering our typical recurring expenses, but we forget about all those other expenses, maybe a little less frequent or predictable, that aren't a monthly bill but still eat away at our wallet when we're not even looking. That twice-a-year preschool enrollment fee, your spouse's pottery class, and the worst of all, Christmas. There are two categories of these expenses. First, we have our predictables. The ones we know are coming, we just forget. You know you sign the kids up for camp every summer, and yet every year it's, I did not see this coming. Secondly, we have the unpredictable but inevitable expenses. At some point, the 1997 Honda will break down. We just don't know when or how many tires it involves, and yeah, the muffler's hanging off a little bit, but it still drives. And so my question to you is this. What if we learn to treat these big but less frequent expenses like all our other monthly bills? Say it's March, and you've just RSVP'd to your cousin's September wedding. After doing some number crunching, you're thinking $400 is a generous enough amount to cover the trip's expenses and have a little fun. Now, dishing out $400 in September is gonna hurt, but carving out and setting aside $65 a month until then sounds pretty doable. This is the magic of Rule 2. It's the key to getting ahead, so you can leave those financial sneak attacks behind. And you know what goes along great with Rule 2? Rule 3.